Oh my gosh, I haven't been able to do that in probably 6 months.
That's awesome.
Literally.
You found us where?
TikTok.
Our whole practice is TikTok now. Kind of nice because people already know me when you come in. So this is your first adjustment, right?
Yes.
Neck, upper back pain. It's making it difficult for you to bring your arm behind your back, right? So I'm excited to see after the adjustment if you can bring your arm behind the back. A little bit nervous because you saw my video where I talked about a girl fainting and after she got adjusted, so.
Yes, just a little bit.
This will be fun. Take a deep breath in for me and all the way out. Breath in, all the way out. Good. Deep breath in and out. Good. Alright. You needed that one,
I
huh?
felt that in my soul.
You felt it in your soul?
I needed that.
People are gonna think I'm a witch doctor
Right.
now. Out here adjusting people's souls. You won't fall, I promise. I've never dropped anybody. I got you.
Okay.
I mean, you could always be the first, but let's not make it that way. There, it already popped, huh?
Yep. It's like instant relief.
Instant
Insane.
relief.
Yeah.
Good, say that again.
Instant relief.
I love it. This is the part that you're most scared about, right?
Uh-huh.
So most people are. So we'll take it easy. It's not going to be aggressive. Just relax that neck for me. Okay, we're going to ease into one more here. There we go. Is that all right?
Yeah.
For being scared, you did really good relaxing.
Thank you.
So
Thank
that's
you.
good. Yeah. I'm going to just drop this neck down for me and kind of drop that shoulder down. Good.
Oh,
That one went before I even
yeah.
did anything, huh?
But obviously needed it.
Yeah, seriously. Yeah? Is that good?
Yes. Oh my gosh, I haven't been able to do that in probably 6 months.
That's awesome.
Literally.
That's awesome.
Literally.
That's amazing.